Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds, the first one for 2023. Happy New Year to everyone. And didn't Lego deliver on the 1st of January with new Brickheadz? First of all, the one that we're going to do today, the Star Wars Tusken Raider, number 182. It's been a while since Brickheadz have been released. There's been a decent wait. But this one, and it looks fantastic, so we're going to build that one today. But then over the next couple of weeks, we get into the Lord of the Rings sets. 183 Gollum, 184 Frodo. How good do these sets look? They are fantastic, and these are the ones I've got behind here. We have Gandalf the Grey, 185 Balrog. I think I said that right. I really don't know. 186. This one's heavy. It's got, I think, probably a decent number of pieces in this one, which I'll have to look up at some stage. And then we have number 187 and 188, Arwen and Aragorn, iconic Lord of the Rings characters, as they all are. So I'm really looking forward. All these are double sets, and then today we'll do the single set, the Tusken Raider, add to the Star Wars collection. So that is what is on today. This is going to be a speed build, as it always is. Then come back for the review. So I hope you can join me. This one, 152 pieces, set number 40615. So please join me after the speed build for the review. Welcome back. Thanks for hanging around. Here we have set number 40615, Lego Star Wars Tusken Raider. Number 182 in the set of Lego Brickheadz. This set was a really good one to start the new year. It's 152 pieces, and they've got a lot of detail in this 152 pieces. You have a look at the weapons. They have just two of them there. The mouthpiece, the eyes, pretty good representation. But what I really like in this set is the detail. And it's the detail that you don't see and probably may not, well, you definitely won't see on the speed build, but may not be able to see. I'll try and show you the best I can. So this front piece here looks like a single 2x4 sloped piece, but in behind it you can see this little offset. Now in my mind, Lego didn't have to go to that detail. It's not that noticeable, but they did, and how they achieved that was by having a 3x2 slope piece there, and by putting the 4x2 over the top, just that slight overlap that happens, and that's a really good effect and detail that I think sets Lego apart at times from other types of builds that you can do in the detail and the effort that they go to. The other good things here are these printed pieces. Hopefully you can see without too much glare. The pockets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 of them in this set. And then on the back as well, on the back you could say that there wasn't a huge need to put this piece on there. They could have done something simpler. Maybe this was the simplest way of doing it, but they've done it, and so it really sets the piece off. wonderful looking set, and if you like Star Wars, this is a must for your collection, especially if you're into Brickheadz and the Brickheadz Star Wars, collecting the Brickheadz Star Wars. So that is it. Great start for 2023. The Star Wars Tusken Raider, set number 40615. It's 182 in the Brickheadz collection. So thanks for joining me for this first build and review of the year, and hopefully you can join me for many more throughout the year. Bye for now.